Up here in Darwin, we experience temperatures of 38 degrees, we experience humidity, we experience rain, we experience, cool, dry season mornings. Having installed many systems over the years, we've come to realise that only quality panels really withstand the temperatures and climate that Darwin throws at it. Darwin's a little bit more difficult when it comes to installing solar. We have cyclonic engineering that we've got to go through, so we have to install our feet around 350 to 450 mil spacings. Basically, every roof we do gets engineered and signed off. We have to take out a building permit and then offer the client an occupancy permit afterwards. So quality is important up here in Darwin because the temperatures vary so different from down south. We can have days of 38 degrees, we can have humidity, we can have rain, and they're still operating as they did on day one, which is fantastic for the client. I think at the end of the day, it just comes down to installing quality. Quality is what counts, and that quality is going to be around for a long time, so use quality. The return on investment for a residential property here in Darwin is sitting around 3 to 4 years. So look, the federal government obviously has still got the STC rebate available, which is great for customers. Solar in Darwin has probably increased substantially over the last 3 years. So I think the federal government rebate for solar has done fantastic things in Darwin, and everyone's saving money, which is great.